Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to do question number 6 of exercise 13.1 chapter 13 surface area and volumes. A small indoor greenhouse is made entirely of glass pans held together with a tape. मीनिंग हमने क्या बनाया है, ग्रीन हाउस बनाया है ग्लास पैन्स को यूज़ कर कर एंड उन ग्लास पैन्स को ज्वाइन किया है विद द हेल्प ऑफ अ टेप एंड द साइज ऑफ दैट ग्रीन हाउस इट इज़ 30 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग, 25 सेंटीमीटर वाइड एंड 25 सेंटीमीटर हाई. What is the area of glass? We have to find the area of glass. So here we have to find the total surface area of the glass. Here length of herbarium is 30 centimeter and its breadth is 25 centimeter and its height is again 25 centimeter. So therefore TSA of herbarium is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. 2 into 30 into 25 plus 25 into 25 plus 25 into 30. And it will be 4250 centimeter square. And we are asked what is the area of the glass. So area of glass, because this herbarium is made of glass, so area of glass is equal to 4250 centimeter square. Now we are asked to find the length of the tape and we know there are 12 edges. That are to be joined. So it means we need the length of tape for 12 edges. So length of tape will be is equal to 4 into length plus 4 into breadth 4 into height, because we can understand it from the diagram given below. Here there are 12 edges. These 4 edges are of length. So it means 4 lengths per tape लगेगी and these 4 are heights. 4 height per tape लगेगी and these 4 edges are breadth. तो 4 breadth per tape लगेगी. This is length, breadth, height. So length of the longest tape will be 4 into L plus B plus H. 4 into 30 plus 25 plus 25. 4 into 80 and it will be 320 centimeter. So therefore length of tape is equal to 320 centimeter. Next, question number 7. Shanti Sweet Stall was placing an order for making cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. 2 size of boxes are required. 2 size के box उनको चाहिए for packing the sweets. The bigger of dimensions, bigger box की dimensions जो हैं वो आपको given है. So we can write side by bigger box. The length is 25 centimeter, breadth is 20 centimeter and its height is 5 centimeter. And the smaller box की dimensions are also given. Here the length is 15 centimeter, breadth is 12 centimeter, and height is 5 centimeter. For all overlaps, 5 centimeter of the total surface area is required extra. मीनिंग जब हम बॉक्स को बनाएंगे एंड उन एजिस को पेस्ट करेंगे तो जब हम पेस्ट करेंगे तो सम एरिया ऑफ कार्डबोर्ड विल बी रिक्वायर्ड एक्स्ट्रा बिकॉज कुछ पार्ट जो है वो ओवरलैप होगा एंड उसके लिए आपको गिवन है कि दैट ओवरलैपिंग इज 5% ऑफ द टोटल सरफेस area. If the cost of the cardboard is rupees 4,000 centimeter square, meaning 1000 centimeter square cardboard जो है वो 4 rupees का है. Find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. हर टाइप के हमें 250 बॉक्स को बनाना है एंड TSA ही हमें चाहिए. तो लेट अस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी फाइंड the TSA of bigger box. It will be 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. 2 into 25 into 20 plus 20 into 5 or plus 5 into 25. We are going to find the TSA of both type of boxes first of all. Now this is the TSA of bigger box, but in this TSA 5% extra is needed. So 5% of TSA will be 5 into 100, 5 by 100 multiplied by 1450, and this will be equal to 72.5 centimeter square. So therefore area of cardboard for one bigger box is equal to 1450 plus 72.5, and it will be equal to 1522.5 centimeter square. So this is the area of cardboard required for one bigger box, but we are going to make 250 boxes of each kind. So therefore area of cardboard for 250 boxes, that will be एरिया ऑफ वन बॉक्स को हम जो है 250 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे एंड इट विल बी इक्वल टू, सो दिस इज द एरिया ऑफ कार्डबोर्ड रिक्वायर्ड फॉर 250 bigger boxes. Now same we have to find for the smaller box. So TSA of one box 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So area of one small, so TSA of one smaller box will be 630 centimeter square. Now we need 5% of TSA for overlapping. So 5% of it will be 31.5 centimeter square. So therefore area of cardboard for one smaller box will be 630 plus 31.5 centimeter square, and it will be 661.5 centimeter square. Now we have to prepare 250 boxes. The area of cardboard for 250 smaller boxes is equal to 250 multiplied by 661.5. So it will be 1,65,375 centimeter square. Now we have to find the cost of cardboard, and cost of cardboard is given to us rupees 4,000 centimeter square. So therefore total area of cardboard, we have to add the area required for both type of boxes. So it will be the total area required for the both type of, and it will be 5,46,000 centimeter square. Now we have to find total cost. We have to multiply this area by the cost for 1000 centimeter square. So we will get rupees 2,184 as the cost of cardboard. Here we have multiplied the area by 4 and divided by 1000 because cost for the 1000 centimeter square is given, and finally we get the cost as 2,184 rupees. Question number 8. Parveen wanted to make a temporary shelter for her car by making a box-like structure with tarpaulin that covers all four sides and the top of the car. It means the structure that we are going to make, it has 5 faces, 4 side faces and one is top, with front face as a flap which can be rolled up. Assuming that stitching margins are very small, it means in this question we are neglecting the stitching margins and therefore negligible. How much tarpaulin would be required to make the shelter of height 2.5 meter with base dimensions as 4 meter and 3 meter? तो इट मीन्स इन दिस क्वेश्चन 4 मीटर क्रॉस 3 मीटर जो है, वन डायमेंशन इज लेंथ एंड अनदर वन इज ब्रेथ. सो डायमेंशंस ऑफ structure to be made are length is equal to 4 meter, breadth is 3 meter and height is 2.5 meter. So therefore area of 4 side faces plus one top face will be 2 into L plus B into H or plus LB. For top face we have to take L into B. Now by putting the values we get 2 into 4 plus 3 multiplied by 2.5 plus 4 into 3. And it will be equal to 47 meter square. So total area of tarpaulin is equal to 47 meter square, because इस स्ट्रक्चर को जो है वो हमें by using a cloth बनाना है, and the area of that will be equal to the area of structure, so it will be 47 meter square.